Welcome to our comprehensive overview of the BRD wallet, one of the most trusted and versatile cryptocurrency wallets available today. BRD offers a user-friendly and highly secure platform for managing your digital assets. In this video, we'll guide you through the wallet's key features and show you why it's a favorite among both newcomers and seasoned crypto users. Once you navigate to the BRD website or download the app, you'll notice its clean and straightforward interface designed for seamless interaction. Creating an account is a breeze. Simply provide basic information, set up a secure PIN, and you're ready to explore. BRD supports an extensive range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens. Its compatibility ensures you can manage all your favorite assets in one place. Security is a core focus of BRD. The wallet employs advanced encryption and keeps your private keys securely on your device, ensuring that you maintain full control over your funds. Backing up your wallet is simple and guided through a recovery phrase, an essential step to safeguard your account. Funding your BRD wallet is straightforward. You can deposit cryptocurrencies by scanning a QR code or copying and pasting your wallet address. The platform also allows users to buy crypto directly using bank cards or linked payment methods, integrating convenience and reliability. For those who prefer to trade, BRD connects with exchanges to facilitate token swaps without leaving the app. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One standout feature of BRD is its rewards program. By using the wallet for transactions, you may qualify for exclusive benefits, including fee discounts and cashback opportunities. This makes it a highly attractive option for those looking to optimize their crypto experience. If you ever encounter issues, BRD offers a comprehensive support section within the app, including FAQs and live chat options to resolve your queries quickly. The wallet also provides educational content for beginners, helping them understand crypto fundamentals and make informed decisions. Now that you've seen what makes BRD exceptional, don't wait to explore its features yourself. Download BRD Wallet today and unlock a world of secure, convenient, and rewarding cryptocurrency management. Sign up using the link https://lnk.do/jquif to get a special bonus as a new user. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tutorials and insights.